On a quiet hillside in Nosara, Costa Rica, stands a house that wasn't just built to live in, but to restore, heal, and connect with nature. This is the Loma Sagrada House by Salagnac Arquitectos. Built on land that was once degraded by cattle ranching, the house appears to be part of the landscape, not an intruder. The structure is supported by a foundation of piles, allowing for the natural regeneration of the vegetation beneath, and allowing the soil to breathe again. The house opens to the north and east, facing the forest landscape in the morning sun, while being protected from strong winds from the south. A long wooden balcony or terrace extends along the side of the building, providing additional living space and a natural observation point. The roof of the house also functions as a rainwater catchment and a platform for solar panels, making the building energy independent. The interiors are open and flowing, with the living room, kitchen, and dining areas all contained within a single open volume without any permanent partitions. Bedrooms are designed with a calming simplicity, containing only functional elements such as low wooden beds, open shelving, and large windows overlooking the forest. Some spaces are designed to be multifunctional, a study that doubles as a meditation space, or a reading room that doubles as a guest bed. The building hugs the steep slope at a 35-degree angle, forming a light yet sturdy triangular geometry, creating a silhouette that almost floats among the trees. On the south side, the house is protected from strong winds, and instead creates a lush microclimate that naturally cools the interior. Loma Sagrada is not just a place to live. It is a statement about how architecture can heal the earth, about how design is not just about form, but about relationships, responsibility, and sustainability.